In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Obsidian with OneDrive. Let's get your notes safely syncing across devices using OneDrive. We'll start by getting OneDrive set up on your computer, then we'll point Obsidian to the actual folder location of your vault, copy it, and place it inside your OneDrive so it can upload and stay in sync. I'll walk slowly through each action and share a few tips along the way to keep things smooth. Begin by opening your web browser and searching for OneDrive download. Make sure you choose the official Microsoft download page so you get the correct desktop app for your operating system. Download the installer for your computer. Once it finishes, run the installer. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete setup. During installation, you may be asked to sign in with your Microsoft account and confirm or choose a OneDrive folder location on your device. The default location works fine for most people. When setup completes, you should see a OneDrive folder in your File Explorer on Windows or Finder on a Mac, along with a small cloud icon indicating that OneDrive is running. With OneDrive ready, switch over to Obsidian. Open the vault that you want to sync. In the left sidebar, you'll see the folder view for your vault. Click into the top level folder of the vault so you're viewing your files and folders. Now, right-click on that vault folder in Obsidian's file list and look for the option that reveals the folder on your system. It's typically labeled Show in System Explorer. On Windows, this opens File Explorer. On a Mac, it opens Finder. The goal here is to jump straight from Obsidian to the actual folder on your computer where all your notes live. When your system's file window opens to your vault, select the entire vault folder. This is important because your vault contains not just your notes, but also the configuration and settings that make your workspace feel like home. Copy the whole vault folder so we preserve its structure and all of its contents together. Next, open your OneDrive folder in File Explorer or Finder. You can do this by clicking the OneDrive shortcut in the sidebar, or by clicking the OneDrive cloud icon and choosing the Open Folder option. Once you're inside OneDrive, decide where you want the vault to live. Keeping it at the top level or inside a clearly named subfolder works well and makes it easy to find later. Now paste the vault folder you copied earlier into the OneDrive folder. Give OneDrive a moment to start syncing. You'll usually see syncing indicators, spinning arrows while files are uploading, then a green check mark once everything is fully synced. If your vault is large or contains attachments like images or PDFs, this may take a while, so keep your computer online and powered on. Avoid closing the lid on a laptop or putting your machine to sleep until the sync completes. Once the upload finishes, your vault now lives in OneDrive, and OneDrive will keep it synced to the cloud. From this point forward, work with the copy of your vault that's located inside the OneDrive folder so your changes sync automatically. If you use multiple devices, install the OneDrive desktop app there as well, sign in, and let it download your vault so you have the same notes everywhere. A quick tip to avoid confusion: name the vault folder clearly so you can tell at a glance that it's the OneDrive version. If you ever notice sync conflicts, it usually happens when the same note is edited on two devices at the same time. Let OneDrive finish syncing before you switch devices, and try to keep file names unique. Also, if you're short on local storage, OneDrive files on demand can keep less used files in the cloud while still showing them in your folder, but you can always mark your vault or keynotes to be available offline if you need them without internet. That's it. You've downloaded OneDrive, located your Obsidian vault on your system, copied the entire vault, and pasted it into your OneDrive folder, then waited for everything to upload. Your Obsidian notes are now syncing through OneDrive.